drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color in a water bottle. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, but anything will work. I'll be using some computer paper to draw on, an ultrafine point Sharpie to draw with, and some Crayola colored pencils to color with. So, let's get right on into drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies ready yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Also, make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. Now, first I'm going to take the lid off my Sharpie so I can draw. And then we're going to go in and we're going to start by drawing the lid of our water bottle. So, first I'm going to draw one vertical line. So a vertical line is a line that goes up and down, and a horizontal line is a line that goes side to side. So now we're going to draw a curved horizontal line across. Now you can make this as big or small as you want, but this will be the size of the lid of your water bottle. And the body of your water bottle will be a little bit wider than this. So if you want a smaller water bottle, then you can do a smaller lid. So then on the other side of the horizontal line, I'm going to draw a vertical line just like we did before. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect that with a horizontal line, so a line that goes side to side. So next, I'm going to be drawing the straw that's built into the lid so that you can drink out of the water bottle. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a diagonal line. Now this is a line that's on a slant. And remember, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video, do the step, and then when you're ready, you can press play. So then I'm going to come right over here, leave a little gap, and draw the exact same diagonal line. Now, to complete our straw in the lid of our water bottle, I'm just going to connect our two diagonal lines with another line at the very top. Great! Now it's time to draw the body of our water bottle, or the place that holds the liquids, or water, I guess. So I'm going to do this by drawing a curved diagonal line down from the bottom of our lid. Now I'm going to do that on the other side too. A curved diagonal line or slanted line down here. Just like that. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to turn it into a vertical line or a line that goes up and down. So I'm going to curve it down just like that. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to take our diagonal or slanted line and I'm going to turn it into a vertical line or a line that goes up and down. Now to finish off the body of our water bottle, I'm just going to connect it with the curved line on the bottom. Ooh. And there we go. Now, this next step is optional, but I think this is looking a little bit plain, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a heart on this. So I'm going to do this by drawing a little dot up here, and then a dot down here, and then I'm going to connect the top dot to the bottom dot with a big curved line that goes up and then shoots back down, just like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side a big curved line that shoots back down. You can leave your water bottle plain though, or you can put anything you want on it. So that is how you draw a water bottle, but here's how I'll be coloring in my water bottle. Now, you can leave your water bottle just like this and it would look great. But if you want to color it in your water bottle, you can color it in any way you want, or you can color it in how I'll be coloring in mine. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to be using Crayola colored pencils to color my water bottle in. So, first, I'm going to be going in with turquoise. And I'm going to be coloring in the body of our water bottle, not the lid, and I'm not going to be coloring in the heart on it either. Now, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Great! Now, I'm going to be going in with black. And I'm going to be coloring in the lid and straw. Now, I will be fast forwarding this once again, but as always, you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Awesome! Now, to finish off this drawing, I'm going to be going in with pink. And I'm going to be coloring in the heart on our water bottle. Now, I will be fast forwarding this once again, but you can always pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Great! If you'd like to show me your drawing, ask your parent or a teacher to email me a picture to jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com. Now, you can also include in the email, what's your favorite drink? I think mine might be orange juice, but that's a really hard question for me. Now, if your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. So make sure you check out my last video, how to draw a nest of bird eggs. And stay tuned because there will be more videos coming very, very soon. So, I'll see you guys next time. And keep on drawing till then. Bye!